Hi, my name is Aaron Oppel, and I am a bicycle industry veteran of 20 plus years, and I am the owner of Bells and Whistles Bicycle Repair in Overland Park, Kansas. This is an origin story. This is the next episode, if you will. This is not Melanie and I's first rodeo, and there's probably a piece of this that is me proving to myself that I'm not just a one-hit wonder. The bicycle shops that currently exist are in a particular model that requires bicycle sales. And when a larger shop that sells bicycles closes, there are generally people that are associated with that shop that are going to go try to find other shops, other places to be employed. Good mechanics, industry professionals, people who've dedicated their lives to making sure that people love two-wheeled adventures. And the problem that we're running into is there are fewer and fewer shops where those tenured employees can go find employment. A lot of them are leaving the industry. They're going to find different industries. I've loved the 20 plus years that I've been in the industry in Northeast Kansas, selling bicycles in Manhattan, Kansas, and repairing bicycles and putting on events in Manhattan and Emporia, and getting involved in the KC community. It's an incredible connection that you can find in almost any community. And so Bells and Whistles is a little bit of a different concept. I'm not gonna sign a dealer contract with a major brand. I don't believe that that's in the best interests of serving people well. On the service side, there's too many places, good places where you can go buy a bicycle. I don't need to clog up good businesses. But I feel like there is still something to offer the cycling community, being a solid wrench and an advisor and somebody that you can come and have a good conversation with and continue your passion, your journey on a bicycle. Bells and Whistles Bicycle Repair has a mission that is focused on demystifying the machine and fueling the spirit of adventure. And that's a vague, probably a broad statement, but what it comes down to is making sure that bicycles are working well, whether I'm doing the repairing or you're learning how to do the repairing. And then the secondary part of that is going out and enjoying the bicycle together. My intent is to have a monthly sub-24 bikepacking trip. My hope is to have at least a couple times a month a coffee ride out of Homer's Coffee next door. There's no reason that we should not be taking advantage of dollar tacos at Mia Ranchita next door. As the season progresses, my hope is in late summer and fall to start developing a mechanics class curriculum, offering a series of classes, not just your basic maintenance classes, but people who want to learn how to bleed brakes, tune derailleurs, build wheels. This is truly going to be a workshop where you can come and understand the bicycle. And I fully hope you do, and you are invited.